All right, family and friends, this is what we got here. The new Nerf gun's out. It's called the Nerf Zeus MX V1200. And this little bad boy shoots these new yellow rounds pretty fast too. Stock is like 90 feet per second. But Troy, can we leave it stock? No, we needed more power, huh? Yeah. So Daddy took the C batteries out and put a 3S LiPo, 2200 milliamp, and 45C rating, which basically just means more power. So Troy is going to show us how it works. All right, so here we are with Troy Stormtrooper Hayes and our Nerf rival Zeus MXV 1200, which has been modified with our 3S and shoots really powerful now, huh, Troy? Oh yeah. Troy is now going to destroy the evil forces of Darth Vader and their Red Fortress, and he's going to show us how it's done, huh, Troy? All right, light it up. Well, that was easy, huh?
Yeah.
Shoot,
I just did one shot.
Oh, you're good. All right, we're just gonna see how fast these bullets come out of here. Okay, go. Jump. Woo! Oh yeah, ultimate firepower.